Welcome to Lasse's beer review. Today we are reviewing a beer from Amundsen. Bird of a Feather. It is an hazy IPA at 7.2%. It's really cool artwork. So let's get it open, see what it looks like and tastes like. It's really golden, hazy. Of course, it's a hazy IPA with two fingers slightly off white head. So let's get the nose on it. Ooh, very tropical, hoppy, citrusy. Oh, I'm getting water in my mouth. It smells really amazing. Yeah, I'm getting tropical and citrusy and pretty juicy. So, cheers. Oh. Oh, that's pretty juicy. It's fresh, good mouthfeel, a little bit bitterness at the end there, but wow, it's a flavor bomb. It's tropical, citrusy. Maybe getting a hint of passion fruit and grape, not the grapefruit. I mean, not grapes, but grapefruit. It's medium carbonated, good mouthfeel, but yeah, start pretty juicy and then it's end a bit bitterness and it leaves you a bit dry, so it's not a pure New England. It's not just a juice bomb. It has some bitterness to it. Yeah, but yeah, you have a nice malt and oat feeling to it. Not so strong in flavor, but you can feel it. But it's mostly tropical in citrusy and grapefruit and a bit of passion fruit. Yeah. So my rating for Bird of a Feather Hazy IPA from Amundsen Brewery, I will give this an 8 out of 10. It's not yes a New England IPA. It's with a bit of West Coast style in it. I like that bitterness at the end. I really do. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.